Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean CSV. Make sure every phone has the international prefix, no parentheses or dashes. Once done, save the Excel file as CSV UTF-8 and name columns clearly, name and phone. Next, decide how to import directly to your phone via a Contacts import app or sync with Google Contacts. I recommend Google for Android. It keeps contacts safe and makes bulk operations simpler. Now export or upload the CSV to the chosen import tool, ready for mapping. With the CSV uploaded, map the fields carefully. Map your CSV phone column to the contact phone field and name to display name. If digits are misaligned, fix them now. One bad mapping creates messy duplicates. Choose the sync target, your device, or a Google account because WhatsApp reads the device contacts list. If using an import app, allow permissions and run the import. Then wait for contacts to appear in your phone's native Contacts app before opening WhatsApp. Finally, open WhatsApp and refresh the contacts list by tapping the new chat icon and choosing Refresh, or simply restart the app. If some numbers don't show up, make sure they're saved with the correct country code and that contact visibility settings allow WhatsApp to read them. If issues persist, clear the Contacts app cache, resync your Google account, or re-import the CSV with corrected formats. One key tip: duplicates often mean inconsistent formatting. Standardize and re-import for a clean result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.